Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Gadgetman69. Just put a little video together of the last few days fishing, the accident I was in. Some lady pulled right out in front of me and messed the whole front of my truck up. So got that getting fixed, so it's a little hard to get out and do some videos outdoors, but I did get my Fjallraven Singi Stubben backpack, and I'm still waiting for the side pockets to come from Australia. But once I get them, I'll do the full video on it. But I did do a little short video that kind of describes the pack itself. Apparently they discontinued just the regular Fjallraven Stubben. And that has two leather straps that hold the top flap down versus the Singi with one single nylon strap, which I actually like better. So I'm gonna put this together for you and have it out, and hope you enjoy it. Please comment if you will. I would appreciate it if you'd subscribe and keep an eye on the channel and give it a like. And hope you enjoy the video, and we'll see you out in the woods soon. Thanks for watching, and I appreciate it. Hey guys, Gadgetman69 here. It's probably going to be a little bit before I do another video. 2 days ago, a lady pulled out in front of me and totaled my truck and then drove away. All the police did was give her a ticket. I don't understand it. You'd think somebody would get arrested for running from the scene of an accident. I don't know what's going to happen yet. Hopefully I'll get my truck fixed. But I did get my Fjallraven Singi Stubben backpack today in the mail. If you look here, this is the pack. Came with a little operator's manual, I guess you could say it is. The only difference between the Singi and the regular Stubben is the Stubben has a leather strap on this side and on the other. I kind of like this because it's got a real heavy-duty metal clasp that you can just undo, and then when you hook it back up you can just tighten it down. Also, the difference in this backpack, it's a actual seat, so once you take it off you can set it on the ground and sit on top of it. And another difference in this pack is the Stubben comes with a birch, looks like a birch tree, like somebody cut the birch tree and you're sitting on a stump. But the Singi comes with this bright hunter's orange seat cover. I'll go over this a little more in detail when I start putting some stuff in it. I'm still waiting on the two packs. I found this on eBay, ended up paying about $325 US. It came from a company in the UK, Clooney Country Guns. Kind of interesting, their address. It's Bauhaus Farm by King Classy Fife, wherever that is with their phone numbers. So it came from far away. Fjallraven has discontinued this, and so it's real hard to find everything. And I believe Amazon in the UK has got the two side pouches that go with this, and as you can see there, sorry, I'm a little bit sore. I just got out of the hospital today. Got multiple injuries, 3 cracked ribs and what have you. a little different the way the pouches hook on. They hook on with these loops versus having hook and loop, or you know, the regular military style straps. So you can't really, I mean, I guess you could tie something on there, but I want to get the right ones for the pack, and it should hold everything I need. It's got a nice front pouch here, smaller pouch underneath or in front here of the seat. You can see the Fjallraven logo. When you open it up, this is actually a padded seat, and it's made out of their G1000 material, so it's all waterproof. You can see the internal framing on it. It's actually not too heavy. It's got a lighter material on the inside, so you can see what you have in there. And then also, you can either get to it from the top, or you have these two zippers in the front that hide underneath the front pouch. Kind of hard doing this one hand, but it'll open right up so that you can get right at all the contents. So I'm pretty stoked about this. I can't wait to use it. It doesn't have a, it has a sternum strap. It's got a handle on the back to hold it up. It's got not real heavy duty padding, but decent straps with some straps on here. I could put something on there, I guess. Another Fjallraven logo, and then it has the sternum strap here. No waist strap, but you know, it's designed to be a day pack or a hunting pack. So I think by this it'll help keep me down, keep my weight down a little bit, and I won't overstuff it like I normally do. I like how the lid just sits on there real nice and tight. And that's my other pack that I was using. That's my 511 Atlas 72-hour bag, and I took off, I emptied everything out of it, and as you can see this container is full between that and my elderly stock, my F4 Terminator pack. I'm thinking about getting something different for backpacking, but you can see all this stuff sat in 2 packs. Here's the straps that I had on the front of the pack. They went basically like this on each side, but I didn't like this flimsy zipper, and it's just too clumsy trying to put it on. So I think what I'll do is I'll make that for you know, maybe like a couple day camp out. Just kind of keep the weight down, because with putting all that gear in it, it is comfortable, but it's just too much weight. So some videos coming up on this. I'll hopefully get the pack soon, the side pouches, get this together, and then we'll